Hello guys, how are you today? I hope everyone is ready to watch another video from Udemy, and this time is the Complete Sass and SCSS course from beginner to advanced. This is not a free course, it is a paying one, and currently at the moment it costs almost 11 euros. Let's go to overview, and after recent activity you'll find the about this course, and it says no more clustered CSS, realize clean designs, lightning, fast and without frustration using Sass and SCSS. By the number, it has 41 lectures and 4 hours of videos. There is 1 article and 30 supplement resources, which is great. The language is English and the instructor speaks perfectly good English. I'm sure you will understand him. In the description there are a lot of things, which again is always a plus, as you will pay for the course, you have to know what you're going to learn. Other than that, in the end you will find the requirements, and thank God there isn't something weird in here. What am I going to get from this course and what is the target audience? And of course, if you have to buy this course, you'll have to read and see if this is actually something for you. Then for the instructor we have the Joy Paris and the Peter Sommerhoff. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing these names wrong. First Joy will start in this course, but later Peter is going to take up. I really like both of these guys. I think they know their stuff, they are experienced, and they will give you a great overall experience. So I would recommend this course. I think it's great. I think you will learn a lot of things, but let's continue with the course content. There are 15 sections. The last one, as usually Udemy do, is something like an extra or a bonus, and in this case it's the same. Like, I don't think that from the 15th section you will get a lot of stuff, but from the other section you will. The videos are usually small, like 2 or 4 or 5 minutes, and what I really liked is that in general there is a quiz after each section, and with this quiz you will test your knowledge, and I really like that, and I think that more instructors should do stuff like this. Let's continue with the Q&A. Well, here there are some questions, but there is really an answer, and I don't know why is that. Anyway, in the announcement section you will see that there are some announcements, and the last one was like 8 months ago. Maybe the instructors could update these sections more often. Overall, I think this is a great course. I think that you should take it. It's totally from beginners to advanced, and with 4 hours you will get a lot of things, like a lot of things. The overall rating is 4.5 or 4.4. I have gave to this course 5 stars because I really liked it. That's it from this course. If you want to get more shit done, if you want to get advanced, then I would advise you to take this course and learn Sass and SCSS. And in my personal opinion, CSS is going down, it's going very slowly, so you should totally learn a preprocessor like Sass or SCSS. Thank you very much for watching, have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye!